But it's also people who really are going to spend the time and effort to earn your trust. They're going to go on video, they're going to show you true things, and they're going to basically catfish you. They're going to convince you that they care about you when they really don't. And they maybe have 4 or 5 other people that they say the same thing to. That's a whole different ball game. And so for that one, the only thing that you can really do is it just takes time to figure out who this person is, and ultimately the next step is to meet them in person. It's much harder to trick a person if you actually take the time to meet them in person, meet parts of their family, meet their kids or whatever, and you have to spend the time and money and effort, energy to go overseas or to another state to meet this person, and they're gonna have this elaborate thing where they still continue to trick you for a week straight. It's going to be way harder.